And what is up, everybody? Luis here. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And let's talk about home prices, because home prices have been hitting new peaks, even with the higher mortgage rates. And you may think that the higher rates and costs would stop and deter buyers, but that's not the case. Home prices in the US rose more than 5% in June of this year. And this sounds great. It sounds like a lot, but it's the slowest growth since November of 2023. So even with these mortgage rates hovering right around 7% in June, prices kept going up. And that's interesting because mortgage rates have a huge impact on the housing market. When rates are high, buying a home costs more, right? Naturally. And buyers tend to wait, or simply they don't qualify. But even with 7% interest rates, home prices haven't dropped at all. And now that the rates are dropping more, that's going to get worse. They're going to peak even more. And yeah, there are some buyers that I feel that are going to wait for both home prices, or that are waiting for both home prices and interest rates to come down. And I see it all the time. And those are the same buyers that have been waiting since 2010 for the prices to drop and the rates to drop. And since then, the prices of houses have pretty much doubled. I mean, if you think about it, go back to 2014 and see what that same house that today is $2 million, how much it was in 2014. And I can assure you it's pretty close to double the price today. And, you know, maybe on this price thing, maybe if there was more inventory, if there was more houses being built, it might be able to balance the market and slow the price hikes. But I don't expect the prices to plummet anytime soon. And most places, the sellers still have that upper hand because the overall inventory is low compared to historical standards, right? Now, it's all about supply and demand. Now, let me ask you a question. How do you think that this is going to affect you in the coming months? And I know as we head into fall, the housing market is still going to be a topic of conversation, especially with the upcoming presidential elections. And home prices and inflation are definitely going to be on the political agenda. And while a lot of experts predict a seasonal slowdown in home prices, they all agree that major drops are not likely in 2024. So if you're in the market to buy a new home, keep your eye on the inventory levels. That's going to tell you a lot. The more listings available, that could mean better buying options at a lower cost, especially with the rates coming down. But if you're waiting for prices to tank and the rates to drop, you might be waiting a little while. And with that, that is all I have on this video. Reach out if you have any questions. Bye now.